Hi guys. This is gonna be a short vid. It's cause I don't wanna make vids. But it's been a month since my last video, and I have to get something out. So this is why. Hiccup Swing Gliders is my #1 bucket list toaster. If you didn't know, How to Train Your Dragon is one of my favorite movies, and I think just for the theme, it's gonna be fantastic. This is also the reason why Velocicoaster is my #1 overall. So yeah. I think that this ride has a great layout. The launches look cool. The little hops over the water look cool. The helix looks cool. The ending twists with test drive looks great. So yeah.
Tung 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 sahur. Anomali mengerikan yang hanya keluar pada sahur. Konon katanya kalau ada orang yang...
As I am making this vid, Stardust Racers remains closed, following the death of a guest on ride. And I just wanna say rest in peace. My heart goes out to his loved ones, and this death is unacceptable. Especially from a big manufacturer like Mac, and a big park like Universal. I am not making this to make fun of the incident.
Anyways,
I already had this over Stardust. I think Stardust's closure boosts Hiccups a lot in my list. So yeah, so yeah, so yeah, so yeah, so yeah, so yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed that embarrassing excuse for a video. And if you disagree,
oh my god, young man, kill you!